In today's video, we're going to be putting our son's bassinet together. It's a Delta Children's bassinet. We got it from Walmart. It's very affordable. I'll leave a link in the description below. So the bassinet comes with the cover and it comes with the padding that goes to the bottom of the bassinet once the frame's all put together. So hubby will be putting the frame together and I'll just help out by passing stuff to him. It's pretty easy to put together, so you just snap the 4 foots into the main frame, and once that's all done, it clicks in. Once that's all done, you just need to screw the cardboard, which is going to be the base of your bassinet, onto the frame, and it comes with all the screws in the pack. So it's very self-explanatory. I love the fact that it has this storage bin that you can put onto the bottom of the bassinet. So you can put your diapers there, you can store your wipes, whatever it is that you're going to need to keep close when you have baby in the bassinet. So hubby just screws in each corner to secure the storage, and then he snaps on all 4 wheels. So after snapping on all the 4 wheels, this is what it looks like. You just take the cover and put that over the bassinet. So this is very quick, it's easy, and if you're on a budget, then it's a great bassinet to have. After putting the cover on, you have those little Velcro that you need to snap into place for extra security. And once that's all done, you can go ahead and put the bedding in. And that's where our baby will lay down and take his nap. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. This is what it looks like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay?